Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Anina Balios, 18 years of age, proudly representing the barangay na palaging nagkakaisa. Together, we are one in Nayawan! My name is Ercol Badonio, proudly representing Barangay Kugon!
Appearance, but also about inner strength, confidence, and the ability to make a positive impact in the world. Tonight, I stand before you, ready to showcase not only my outer beauty, but also my inner beauty. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Standing in front of you is Mr. Ren Castañares, 21, representing Glam Organization Bulacau. Thank you.
A colorful evening, everyone. I'm Tan Seas from 6014 Kaabag Mandawi LGBT Federation. And I say, be proud with confidence and pride. Thank you. My name is Ashley Baya, 18, representing Kimbotitas of Barangay Tejero.
Trans men are extraordinary, strong, intelligent, persistent, and resilient. We have to be, and we will not stand for picking and choosing for the right. Good evening, everyone. My name is Concon Herrera from Barangay Hipodrimo.
Good evening. Angel Rendona Risgado, 21 years of age, from Bagayan, Cebu City.
Ang tomboy ay hindi ang pagiging tomboy ay hindi ang pagiging tomboy ay hindi makasalanan sa mata ng Diyos, sa mata ng lipunan, at sa mata ng matagtiki. This is Ching Haba from the land of Waitugpahay. From the capital of Cebu, Barangay Pisa. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Gentlemen who are ladies, and ladies who are gentlemen. This is Pachiwa Kaba, 21, ang single mom, that's my tomboy, ng Barangay Kiyo.
I am a man trapped in a woman's body. But this won't stop me from being me. This is Jewel, 23 years young, born and raised in the land of grace. Barangay Kasambagan! And I'm gonna leave this stage with a saying that respect is not to be asked, it is to be earned. Good evening, everyone, and I thank you.
My name is Pepe K. Delphine, also known as Arky, representing Barangay Tejero. Hi dito sa mga taga-kuan, mga Kembotitos nga nag-support na ko. Thank you.
My name is Jean Paul from Barangay T. Padilla. Naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na mas masarap magmahal ng tomboy. So, sa pa hindi paabot, grab me na!
Tanan! Logo. Nikki Espanyol, 24, ang That's My